Hi everyone, today I'm going to share my reaction to a video about control theory. So I will talk about what I learned if the video helped me understand the topic better and what insights I gain as a future engineer. So based on the video, control theory is basically about making system work the way we want them to work. So a system has a goal and it keeps checking if the output matches the goal. So if there is a difference or error, it corrects itself. So this process is what we are called the feedback. For example, think about an air conditioner with a thermostat. So if you set it to 25 degrees and the room gets hotter than that, the aircon turns on. So when the room reaches 25 degrees again, it turns it off. So that is a simple control system. So let's have another example. So another example is a cruise control in a car. So if you set speed if you set your speed to 60 kilometers per hour in the car slowdowns while going uphill, the system automatically adds more power to maintain the speed. So even robots in factories use control system. So they check their position and adjust to make sure that they move correctly and precisely. So, was the video helpful? Yes! I think the video was helpful because it explained the topic in a simple way. So, it did not focus too much on difficult equations. So, I understand the main concept clearly. And also, the real life examples made the topic easier to relate to. So, insight as a future engineer. So, as a future engineer, I realized that control theory is very important in many fields like robotics, automotive, aerospace, and especially in electronics. So, let's give an example. So, for example, drones use control system to stay balanced while flying. So, without proper control, they will crash. So, this made me understand deeper that learning control system will help me design machines that are stable, accurate, and efficient. So, overall, I learned that control theory helps system adjust and improve automatically. So, that's all. Thank you for watching my reaction. Peace.